In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Deals and sales pipelines. We'll be guiding you through each step, ensuring you're well equipped to navigate the HubSpot platform with ease and confidence. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to refine your skills, today's lesson will provide clarity on managing deals within your sales process. To start, you need to visit the trial guide page. This is essentially your entryway to accessing the full suite of sales tools within HubSpot. Once you're on the page, you'll notice a wide array of options. This is where you'll begin your journey. Next, you'll want to click on the CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. The CRM is the backbone of any successful sales strategy, allowing you to manage and analyze customer interactions and data throughout the customer lifecycle. Navigating this part of the HubSpot platform is crucial, as it helps you maintain valuable relationships and streamline processes. Once you're in the CRM, you'll proceed by clicking on Deals. Deals in HubSpot are pivotal in managing your sales pipeline efficiently. They allow you to track potential revenue and manage sales opportunities effectively. This section is where you can visualize and track the progress of your sales deals from start to finish, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. After accessing deals, the next step is to click on a specific deal. This action will open up detailed information about that particular deal, including important notes, contact information, and the current stage of the deal. This level of detail helps you stay on top of all aspects of each opportunity and ensures you are prepared for every interaction with prospective clients or customers. Moving forward, clicking on the settings will allow you to customize the deals according to your business needs. In this area, you can adjust various settings that tailor the CRM and sales pipeline to better fit your sales process. Customizing your settings ensures that you have a system that works seamlessly with your team's workflow, improving efficiency and productivity. Lastly, you'll want to look for the Pipelines section within the settings. Clicking on Pipelines will offer you control over the different stages within your sales process. Here you can modify, add, or delete stages in the pipeline, customize the order, and set specific criteria or actions for each stage. Optimizing your sales pipelines will lead to a more organized and efficient sales process, ultimately driving more revenue for your business. By following these steps, you'll have a better grasp of how to use HubSpot Deals and manage your sales pipelines effectively. This robust tool will empower you to streamline your sales process and enhance your team's performance. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!